Okay, look at us. We ended up back in the GTR. Taylor, have you ever been in a GTR launch?
No.
You haven't?
No.
This is a perfect timing. This is gonna be my girlfriend's reaction to GTR launch. We're gonna go out and drive around a little bit. We're gonna go head over to Mexico so we can have a little bit of fun.
Wait, what's GTR launch?
You'll see. You're gonna love it, I promise. So serious.
I know, you look so like...
I wonder, like, in the clips of those, like, I get so serious. Like, I play no game. Okay. You better hold on to this camera.
Okay. I'm holding on.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
I think that's the first time I've ever done actual launch control on camera. Alright, we need to go.
Oh my god!
Let's drive back to America now. That was a
the most
GTR launch.
Insane feeling in the entire world. Oh my god. My stomach dropped. I did not think it was gonna be anything like that.
I didn't either.